The south of Spain, Andalusia. Most people associate this region with blue skies, crowded beaches, flamenco, and olive trees. Yet that's not how we wish to see it, as our goal is to steer clear of the tourist traps. We want something else. A grand tour of Andalusia, boasting some of the best roads we've ever ridden. Famous roads, small roads, straight roads, smooth roads, flowing roads, trail roads, mountain roads, and beach roads. Mind you, our grand tour doesn't just focus on roads, but also on landscapes, fragrances, the hills, the forests, the rivers, the open spaces, the desert, the snow, and, the olive trees. It's also a story about culture, delicious food, white villages hidden in the mountains, and warm cities. We breathe the deep south. Our pace is fluent. The roads link everything. We climb the mountains of Grazalema, past the Easter processions in Arcos, taste the famous pork of Jabugo, admire the jaw-dropping open mine pits between Aracena and Rio Tinto, smell the green fields surrounding Carmona. Heading back north, we see more olive trees. Spend the night in Córdoba, see the famous bridge, pass Jaén, sweep to Obeda, and enjoy the ride between the inevitable olive trees. We move further. We carve through the hills. We're baffled by the clear view, allowing us a glimpse of the Sierra Nevada peaks. That is where we want to go. But first, we need to check Negratín and cross the desert surrounding Guadix. Spring is relatively mild this year, but the snow is persistent. When we climb the mountain, we're halted by the elements. No pasarán. We try on foot. The view is amazing, but the top is out of reach. We call it a day. We turn around, and as far as the eye can see, there's Andalusia, our playground of the past 8 days. Andalusia is so much more than all the well-known cliches. It's a motorcyclist's paradise. There are wonderful roads to be ridden, and there is so much to see. Green hills, fast bends, empty beaches, fluffy clouds, cozy villages, rocky deserts, turquoise lakes, snowy mountains, and of course, plenty of olive trees.